Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Kpata Kpata Tube Cream. Kpata Kpata Facial Cream is specially designed to lighten, brighten and moisturize your skin. It makes your skin to be soft, satin-smooth, luxurious and flawlessly beautiful. This product can be used to treat skin infections and other unwanted blemishes. You can also pro-mix it into your body lotions. It specializes in the treatment of skin conditions, such as eczema, psoriasis and lichen planus. The dominant active ingredients in this product includes 0.05% Clobetasol Propionate. This tube cream also removes dry and flaking skin cells and also smoothens scared tissues. It reduces excess oil, melasma, dark marks and premature aging. It also rejuvenates the skin. I highly recommend Clear Kpata Kpata Cream to anyone who wants to get rid of any blemishes, sunburns, freckles, dark spots, acne scars, pimples or discoloration of the skin. Thanks for watching guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.